Hi, welcome to the first new Lomdei Platform tutorial on how to import lessons from the Lomdei Library and then send them to your students as assignments. Here we go. Okay, the first thing you want to do is head up to the top left-hand corner to access the student and class workspace. That's that button right here. You click on that. And now you can see or view your class, right? Lomdei test class with my test student in it. So that's step one. Okay. Step two involves just a choice. Do I want to send the assignment to my whole class? I only have one student, but if you had multiple students, that assignment would go to your whole class. Or do I want to send it to just an individual student as an individual's assignment? Okay, so we're going to just do it on a class level. Just note that everything that we do also applies as if you want to assign it to an individual student as well. So I'm going to click on the class. Okay, I'm going to go to the Create Assignment button over here. I'm going to just circle it for you right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, and now I'm going to choose from a subject area. So I'm going to choose Chumash. I'm going to choose Bereshis, Sefer Bereshis, then Parshas, Vayera, and we'll choose Parak Yud-Ches. Okay, now what I'm looking at is my library. So this is showing me any lessons. Those again are assignments before they're assigned are called lessons. Any lessons that I already have in my library that are in Parshas Vayera and are in Parak Yud-Ches. Okay, so I don't have anything right now, so I'm going to want to import a lesson. So how do I do that? So if you look right next to where it says My Library, there's the Import Lesson button. So I'm going to click on Import Lessons. Now I'm brought to the Shared Library screen, and it's showing me all of the lessons that already exist that you might be used to from the Lomdei Library. So I'm going to go through here, and I'm going to pick something that I want to see. So I want to take, let's say, all the translations from Parak Yud-Ches. So I'm going to click here to select that lesson, the translations lesson. And then very simply, if I want to import this to my library, I just click on the bottom right corner where it says Import. And now I'm brought back to my library, and I see that I have the translations right here. Just to circle it so you guys can see it. I have the translation lessons in my library. Okay, so that's step one. Now step two is how do I actually assign this to my students? So if I click inside translations, okay, first of all I can see all the different translations that I have here on different psukim. I have an option to hide certain translations, so if I don't want to give my students all these translations right away, I can hide them by just toggling this button right here. Very simple. On and off. I can preview. I can see what's actually inside. Okay. And then once I'm ready to assign it to my students, again, I go down to the bottom right corner here where it says Assign Lesson to Class. I click on Assign Lesson to Class. And now I can actually assign my tasks, my lesson to the class and make it an assignment. I can also hide each one of these right now if I want. I see that it's in the planned stage. That means I haven't assigned it yet. So how do I actually assign it? So this is kind of step 2B. So right here we have click on that plan button, and we have two options. Option one is schedule a start time. So if I click schedule a start time, now I'm brought to this little calendar here. I want it to start today. I want it to start at 6:30 a.m. I click, well, we'll do tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. and I just click save. So that's setting a start time, date and time, and that will start the assignment, which then means that it will appear in the student's accounts at that date and time. Or if I want, I can just activate it now if I want to just start the assignment now. And now I see that it's active. If I want to, so when it's active, that means that the student have it in their account. If I want to, though, I can click on this and I can click on back to planned. And now it's back to planned, then the students don't have it anymore. So I can always bring it back after I send it to them. Okay, so that's how you send an assignment to your students. I'll just test this out by clicking on my student here to see if he has the assignment. And we could see clearly right here, he now has this translation assignment in his account. That's how I can check. Thank you so much. We appreciate you being with us for the first video for the new platform, first tutorial video. We hope to catch you on further videos in the future. Thank you so much.